Hi, this is Bill. I have Bush Video eBay sales, and I finally figured out a way. To get embroidery designs into a Bernina 180 versus a USB port. I've read a lot about a lot of different USB to COM port adapters, as the problem here with the 180 is it uses a COM port adapter, and you're not going to be able to find a newer computer with a COM port adapter. They just don't make them anymore. So I've found out that this keyspan, this is what the box looks like. Keyspan serial port adapter. It's a USA-19HS adapter. Actually works, and I think this is fantastic for owners of these great Bernina 180 machines. It's a way to get designs into the machine without having to use an older computer. The computer I'm using right now, it is an older compact computer. It runs Windows XP. I'm going to also test this on my newer Vista computer, but this is the first test I ran here of this adapter, this keyspan adapter. I used the software that came with the adapter, installed the driver, and what I'm using right now is Bernina's free download of their ArtLink V6 software. So I just want to show you, I went through the setup here and I got this working. There were little things you're going to have to do, like select your COM port in the computer. I selected COM port 1 for this adapter to work on COM port 1. And once I did that, everything actually worked. I was really surprised. So what we have now then is a COM port machine that works now with a USB plug via the adapter. So what I'm using right now is Bernina's free software, their ArtLink V6. We're going to go to File, and we're going to open up a design. I'm just going to select any design to show you how this works. We'll just take the first one. It's a cute little cow there. And what we're going to do is select Open. And because my computer's so slow, we have to wait a little bit. But there shows the design on the screen. And what we want to do now is send that design to the Bernina 180. So we tap on the machine symbol there. Show you what comes up next. Here is this Bernina device selection. What you will have to do here is you go into Configure and you select your Artista 180. And there's also a drop down here menu. I'll focus a little bit for you to select. There we go, Artista 165, or you can use the reader-writer box with this. We select OK. So I set this adapter up to work on COM port 1. I have COM port 1 selected, Artista 165 to Artista 180. Those are the COM port machines. And we select OK. And we wait for my slow computer. It comes up. It shows the Artista 180 in their right to embroidery system box here, and it shows the design I've selected, the cute little cow there. This shows you what's in your machine right now, and as far as memory goes, we're going to select number 1 because my memory bank in the machine has been cleared out. I don't have any designs in the machine's memory itself. We're going to select we select this icon here, download the select designs to the embroidery system. We tap on that. Now it's sending the design to the machine. When it's doing that, your screen on the machine goes blank. Then you know you have a connection. It's actually sending the design to the machine. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm just doing this here with one hand and shooting it with my cell phone. Okay, it says here you get a confirmation. Design successfully downloaded to the embroidery system. So we select OK. If I could speak here today, this video would even be better. So where you're going to find the design now is you're going to go, this symbol here takes you into the machine's memory, what designs are factory loaded in the machine. Then we will scroll down here to see if the design has shown up in the machine's memory, which it should. These are the preloaded designs. Those are kind of in there already. There we go. We see the M there for memory, and there's the design of the cute cow that I just sent to the machine. It's bringing that design up on the screen. Showing you your different colors. Showing this cow actually takes 12 different colors. And it's checking my machine for a hoop right now. I don't have a hoop on, so it's going to tell me that I don't have a hoop on at the present time. No embroidery hoop attached. Escape. But there it is. I've used the free software from Bernina, ArtLink V6. I brought up an art format design. I used the Keyspan USB port adapter, and I sent that design to a Bernina 180. I think that's fantastic. These are great machines. As with any embroidery machine, the movements are done with the hoop. The hoop moves around on the machine, and the machine simply sews a straight stitch, as the needle will stay in the center position all the time. These machines are great at stitching out designs, as they are mechanically basically the same machine as the 185, the 200, and the 730. The only thing that's been lacking here is the ability to get the design from point A to point B, and this is how you do it. This 180 I just recently serviced, and we'll be selling this as a package on eBay with the adapter. The computer won't be included, but because I do want to test this yet on Windows Vista, because there are a lot of people that don't have a Windows XP anymore. This is just an older computer, but I don't suspect there'll be any problems with Vista. I do not have a Windows 7 computer to try this, but this is a big step forward for people that own these great machines. The Bernina 180. Really all you're missing on the 180 compared to some of the newer machines is a fancy color touchscreen, and you do not have the auto thread cutter option, which really doesn't always work on the 200s and 730s. But there you go. There's some information for the owners of a Bernina 180. Thanks for viewing, and you can look me up on eBay, username Bush Video, and there is my email address. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something here. I know I did today.